Mubashir worked in a factory. He was the sole breadwinner of his family. Mubashir was also responsible for his wife, children, and elderly parents. He had been working in the factory for 15 years on a low salary. Mubashir one day told the factory owner that I have been working in your factory for 15 years, but I have not been able to get legal rights, which include permanent employment, salary increases, and many benefits, which you are not giving me. In this era of inflation, it is difficult to survive on a low salary. Please increase my salary. The factory owner said, if you want to work, do it. If you don't, then leave the factory and I will find many skilled workers. Mubashir said, I am asking you for my right. On this, the factory owners threw him out of the factory and said that we do not need you. Mubashir became very sad after hearing this. Don't do this injustice. I am a poor man. There is no one to earn money in my house. I have small children. Have mercy on me. The factory owners had no mercy on Mubashir. They pushed Mubashir out of the factory. Mubashir said to the factory owners while leaving, crying, you are oppressing me. I am poor. I cannot do anything. But I am leaving my decision in the court of Allah as I go. Saying this, Mubashir left. A few days later, it was found that the factory where Mubashir worked had caught fire due to a short circuit, due to which the entire factory was burnt to ashes, and the owner of the factory had suffered a huge loss. God knows whether the factory owners realized and regretted that day or not. If only we had not oppressed Mubashir, then we would not have been punished by Allah today.